Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Dal Bhat isn't just a meal in Nepal, it's a way of life, a comforting constant you'll find in every home and restaurant. This simple dish of lentils and rice provides more than just sustenance. It represents the warmth of Nepali hospitality and the heart of its culture. You'll discover why Dal Bhat holds such a special place in the hearts of Nepalese. It's a staple that truly brings people together. From busy city centers to remote mountain villages, this iconic meal defines Nepali daily life. What is Dal Bhat? A plate of tradition. Dal Bhat, at its heart, simply translates to lentils and rice. However, it is much more than that. This phrase actually represents a complete, balanced meal integral to Nepali culture. When you sit down for Dal Bhat, you are not just getting two ingredients. You are presented with a satisfying spread including steamed rice, a flavorful lentil soup, curried vegetables tarkari, and often a spicy pickle, achar. Sometimes, you might also find fresh greens, saag, or even a small portion of meat. It is a meal designed to be both nourishing and comforting, a tradition passed down through generations. The humble yet hearty dal, lentil soup. The dal in Dal Bhat is a seasoned lentil soup, a cornerstone of the meal's flavor. Nepali kitchens use various types of lentils, each contributing a unique texture and taste. You might encounter tur dal, often splits and cooks down to a creamy consistency. Masoor dal, known for its quick cooking time and reddish hue. Mung dal, a lighter, yellow lentil that is easily digestible. The magic truly happens with the tempering process, known as tadka. This involves heating ghee or oil and then frying whole spices. Common additions include cumin seeds, mustard seeds, finely chopped garlic, fresh ginger, and green chilies. These aromatics are quickly fried until fragrant. Then, they are poured over the cooked lentils, creating a sizzling cascade of flavor and aroma. Regional variations mean spices can differ. Some areas might favor turmeric and coriander, while others lean into bolder garam masala blends. Each household often has its own secret twist, making every bowl of dal unique. Bhat, the foundation of every Nepali meal. Bhat refers to the steamed rice, the steady anchor for every Dal Bhat presentation. Rice is not just a side dish here. It is the main carbohydrate and a fundamental part of the Nepali diet. Various rice varieties thrive in Nepal's diverse climate. They range from long-grain basmati, appreciated for its aroma, to shorter, local grains that offer a different texture. The cooking method is simple yet essential. Rice is typically boiled or steamed to achieve a fluffy, separate grain. This preparation makes it perfectly absorbent, ready to generously soak up the flavorful dal and accompanying gravies. Bhat provides the bulk and energy needed for a day's work, making it the bedrock of this traditional meal. Beyond the basics, essential sides and flavors. While dal and bhat form the core, the true magic of a Nepali meal appears in its supporting cast. These essential side dishes transform a simple plate into a diverse and balanced experience. They add bursts of flavor, varied textures, and crucial nutritional elements. Think of them as the vibrant threads that weave together the tapestry of a complete Dal Bhat meal. Without these additions, the meal feels incomplete, almost like a story missing its most exciting chapters. Each component provides a unique role, making every spoonful an adventure. Tarkari, the vegetable ensemble. Tarkari, or vegetable curries, are a cornerstone of any Dal Bhat meal. These dishes celebrate Nepal's abundant produce and change with the seasons. Depending on the time of year or even the specific region, you might find different vegetables taking center stage. Common choices include potatoes, cauliflower, green beans, carrots, or various leafy greens like spinach or mustard greens. The preparation of tarkari often involves simple yet effective spice blends. Ingredients such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and sometimes a pinch of garam masala come together to enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables. These spices are typically sautéed with onions and garlic before the vegetables are added and cooked until tender. The focus is always on using fresh, local ingredients. This practice ensures peak flavor and supports community agriculture. We often see these dishes as proof that simple ingredients, prepared thoughtfully, can create something truly special. Achar, the kick of Nepali pickles. No Dal Bhat experience is complete without achar, the vibrant and often fiery Nepali pickle. Achar is not just a condiment, it is a vital element that cuts through the richness of the dal and tarkari. It provides a necessary spicy, tangy, or sour counterpoint. It truly awakens the palate. There are many popular types of achar, each with its own distinct character. You might encounter tangy tomato achar, refreshing radish achar, mulako achar, or even more unique varieties using dried fish or local fruits. The making of achar is an art form. It involves combining various spices, oil, and sometimes even fermentation techniques. Ingredients like mustard oil, fenugreek seeds, chili powder, and turmeric are commonly used. These ingredients add depth and preserve the pickles. The process ensures that even a small spoonful delivers a powerful flavor punch. These points show how Dal Bhat is more than just food, it is a daily tradition in Nepal. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.